You're gonna make me jump, aren't you?
The battery was dead, so we did put it on charge yesterday. Let's quickly check what voltage it is. I'll hold this. 13.9, very good. That should fire it up nicely. The charger we used, where's our charger? This one here. A young one mentioned this to me because I was using it. Fail. Yeah, we're using another crappy charger that used to always kill everything. So this one is supposed to be good because it's got like a mode where you can repair the battery, and what it does is it pulses the battery. But yeah, we haven't got much time. We were supposed to be there. This comes through there, isn't it? Yeah, they always hold water in there. Look, it's all wet. No good. But yeah, it happens, it's common. That's why all of them rust under here. Let's see what this one's like. Oh, still got its under tray. See, this one still has its under tray. A lot of Subarus do not have that battery under tray. It's all rotted away. So naughty. This one's a naughty Billy. Naughty Billy. We need to check the oil because it's been stored a while. Golden. Ah, golden oil. Always keep your oil golden. Yeah, it's full. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fresh air to the plants, fresh air to the plants. Stay tuned to see what other cars are coming. It's about 7-8 of us. Oh yeah, it's good, isn't it? It's good to do stuff like this for schools so they can see what goes on. Get some into hobbies when they're young. BD10 ODF. Where's that? Beechcliffe School Tatley. Alright, let's go. You know, when I jump in this, after jumping out of a German car, I forget the indicators and the wipers. I'm always doing the opposite. Come on, V40. Get some. Get some. Get some. Oh, the turbo is kicking it differently. Have you noticed how hot Subaru heat is? Like the heaters in a Subaru is literally like, you're so warm and cozy. They just warm up so much.
The red kind of day, you know what time it is. Jeez.
So we're here. Bradford Modified Club in his Mark 6, and he's got a Mark 5 as well at the back. Psycho. Man's a bit psycho, you know. Are we going in? Maybe not. Are we going in? Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, he's moving. Got his hongs on. I like his hongs, doesn't he? Right, okay. Oh, it's Beechcliffe School. Right, okay. Let's see what's going on. Right, okay, so we're here, but I have no idea what's going on, so we let the boys tell you what's going on.
So we're doing a little car meet for the kids, special needs kids in Beechcliffe School.
Okay.
Thanks for this, man. Go get me. Go get me.
He's the organizer. He's the host.
Yeah,
tell us
that's what it is. So it's Bradford Modified Club coming down to a school in Bradford.
Beechcliffe Academy.
Yeah.
To basically
Putting the
show
crew together.
Yeah, bring.
So basically,
Boss.
so what you saying? The teachers and that I'm saying
So,
that they needed some cars, and then
Yeah,
you
just
put you
inspire the
through.
kids, motivate them, saying hard work always pays off. Doesn't matter what you do in life, as long as you do it.
Yeah, it's
Right.
good.
Yeah, man. You need to take
Get
over
some
BMC.
in the
This
cars
guy-
as
this
well,
guy
don't
needs
it?
to take
Get
over
some in the
BMC,
cars,
man.
see what's
Yeah.
happening.
You can have a little rev here and there,
Yeah.
excite the kids a bit. They can
No,
do
it's
it.
good. It's good what you do, bro.
But yeah, saying we organised it in a week.
Yeah, you did well. You did well. Right, let's see what's here. So, listen, you didn't tell me about this one. You didn't. You told me briefly, but you didn't tell me it's that nice.
Yeah, no.
Which one's this then, Kwan?
That's a Mark 5 Gold GTI.
What does the number plate stand for?
Whatever
Warn you.
Whatever you want it to say, man.
For me, it's just looking at it, says warn you.
Yeah,
Is that what
yeah.
it's meant
That's
to
why I
see,
bought
yeah?
it, yeah.
Right, okay,
But
so I
people
got it
say
right.
we run you and all sorts. So
right, so I got it right,
whatever you
yeah.
want it to, man.
Okay, and that's still yours, you're still going to keep that little
Yeah,
baby. That's your
mine,
baby,
man.
innit? That's your baby, but you can
it,
keep that.
Longest I've had a car, that.
What do you think about mine though? You've seen it in the flesh for the
you know
first
what?
time?
Bad boy, man. I seen it, man. I was sat in that car with my sister,
Yeah.
and she looked in the rearview mirror. She goes, "Who's that red
He's
car? Is
taking
that
the
coming to
heat.
the car show?" It popped like from halfway a mile down the street, man. It was nuts.
Yeah, so
turn
this
around and
we've got full liquor paint. We just need to finish a few little bits and we'll give
much
it a
like
full buff on that.
Bad boy, man. Bad boy.
Okay, so what else have you got here? Skyline?
Skyline, yeah.
R34 GT ST?
Yeah, something like that.
Ford Fiesta.
Ford Fiesta.
It's got nice stickers on that. And then
My baby,
he's
my
63.
baby. Used to when we went to see one as
yeah,
well.
we did, you know.
And you got it in different colour.
Do you know what? Check out a video. I think it's about my third or something video where he dragged us to Harrogate to go see one. And alhamdulillah, finally he has bought one.
We got it in a better colour.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what's going on today. Literally, it's to show the kids what modified cars like, modified car scenes like, and yeah, we've come down to support. We can't really show you what the kids' reactions are, you know, because of safeguarding and stuff. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So if you do need cars for any sort of events, anything like that,
Charge per the hour.
Ali's your man. And how do we get in touch with
So
you?
it's Snapchat, it's Bfdmodifiedclub. On Instagram, it's Bradford_modified_club. And yeah, man, just holler us and.
Yeah, you know, if
times
you
out of
need
10
anything, you know, like for like, especially for kids and stuff like that, we always go above and beyond. And as you can see
Yeah,
now,
man, because that's what we're all about.
everyone
innit? Giving
just
back to
come
the
out the way.
community, showing
Yeah.
our pieces of art off and stuff. We're just
good.
going above and beyond for the people, really. It's not about racing, it's not about antisocial behaviour, it's more about lifestyle and spending our time properly with cars and
yeah.
the community. Big love to YK Recreation, man. Big love. Madness.
Need
what
to
he's
start
doing
coming
for
to more meets though. I've been busy.
No, but
grafting.
still, like the YouTube
Yeah,
channel
yeah,
is on
definitely,
fire. Like
man.
the YouTube channel is on fire. I sit there watching the videos and stuff, and it's sick. It's a vibe. Do you know what I mean? Kids
Yeah, it's
involved.
good, man.
Everyone's there.
We need to start getting it out there and more, don't we? But yeah, we've got another. What's this? M4, M3.
M4.
We've got M4 coming in. It's nice that, bro. Yeah, do it nice, though. It is San Marino blue, innit? Yeah. Yeah, we sprayed the Subaru once this colour, San Marino blue. Put it, make it a bit louder. You can't hear it. Put in dynamic spot plus or whatever these.
I don't know how to do these cars, but I'm not arguing with you.
Because it does have the exhaust. But it sounds a bit tinny. How do you change them? M2 he goes.
Steering wheel. Right, left side, M2.
Right, there you go. There you go. Ooh. I told you it'll have some sort of mode on it. Ooh, nasty. German. What does it sound?
It sounds naughty and nasty.
There you go.
Naughty and nasty.
It's nice inside, isn't it? It's all
Much
carbon
nice.
pockets.
Very nice, man. Very nice.
Anyway,
Wow. on this side, stand on this side. So we're getting the teachers' reactions now. Go on, give it a... Oh, is it, yeah? Does it?
Oh, it's going like the clock first.
Alright.
Are you going to make me jump, aren't you?
The teachers at Beechcliffe School, yeah? You might start coming to a car show. Oh!
Oh my god! That's mean, you're never coming back
good,
now.
that was good, wasn't it? That's enough.
Can't hear anything.
She can't hear anything.
Hiya, thanks for coming. The kids have really enjoyed the cars, the loud noises. And the teachers. And the teachers. We've loved you coming. It's been really inspirational. Thank you so much. Yay!
So yeah, that's it guys. The kids did love the cars. I'm not even gonna lie. The teachers loved them more than the kids. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little video. That little bit of a little insight of like what Bradford Modified Club and myself and all over car enthusiasts get into. Because as you can see, we do help out and around everywhere else wherever we can. So yeah, make sure to like, share and subscribe. It's been a very rainy, miserable day, but the kids did not care. And as you know, when you're younger, you do not care. You just literally get on with it. But yeah, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace. Official this, we have to sign in and everything.
So what we put in here, Mo, Ale, and then
BMC, BMC,
Is there a
BMC.
hashtag? Is there a hashtag? There's no hashtag.
There's
but
no
we'll just
hashtag.
put BMC.
There you go.
Okay, you know what time it is. What am I governing?
You get the head teacher.
No company.
Well, yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Mo, Ale, BMC, no company.
Activated, mate. Beechcliffe school.
Let's see your photo card. Let's see your photo card, yo, Matt.
Other way around.
There's everyone in yours, yo. There's everyone in
There's a family
yours.
photo of that.
Yes, Matt. Yes, Matt. Matt's coming what car, yeah? The Ford. Ford Fiesta, yeah? Yeah, man. You coming, Shay? Yeah. Oh, don't worry about it.
No split.